Hey, welcome back to the channel. A viewer had mentioned that the Premier 10 lacked a phono stage and that was unacceptable. So I thought for fun, we'd throw in a phono stage. So here is a Conrad-Johnson EF1, and this is a solid state phono stage from about the same genre, around late 90s, 96 or so. And the EF1 is a solid state. It is a Class A FeT phono stage, and it's pretty interesting inside. We'll just take a quick view and see what's going on inside here. So we have a really nice power supply. Check that out. No electrolytics. Even has foil resistors. Now, something kind of interesting, these little yellow things that look like capacitors. So you see that little one right there. That is actually a Vishay Foil Resistor. I didn't realize that that's what it was, but this thing will run forever. I mean, there's no electrolytics and power supply. And then we get over here to the FeT input stage. And then you have more Vishay, I can never say that word, Vishay foil resistors, and the big bolt guys. See those guys sitting up vertically there? That's really nice. And, you know, I don't have a schematic for this, unfortunately, but, you know, after a while, you start looking at these, and all these FeT stages start to kind of look the same. So, if you have a little familiarity with these guys. So there's your loading resistors, selectable loading. And then you come down here, and you have your gain switches for selectable gain. And those two are the output capacitors. The 2 microfarad output capacitors in parallel for the left channel, and there's output caps for the right channel. And then we go right out here, and we end up with a couple of 47R Vishay foil resistors right there. So, gosh, I mean, you know, I'm halfway tempted to throw in some film and foils, some Solens for these output caps, but, you know, everything in here is just first class. I mean, look at all those foil resistors, all those little yellow ones. That's what they are. I thought they were caps, but they're not. They're a Vishay foil resistor. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of them in there. They even used them in the power supply, like I said. So we'll power this up, and we'll take a little listen. And this works right in conjunction, makes a really nice combination with the Premier 10. All right, hold on.
Easy street, I'd love to live on. Easy street, nobody works on. Easy street, just lie around all day, just sit and play the horses. Life is sweet for folks who live on easy street. No weekly payments you must meet. That makes your hair turn gray. When opportunity comes knocking, you just keep on with your rockin', 'cause you know your fortune's made. And if the sun makes you perspire, there's a man that you can hire to plant trees so you can have shade on easy street. I'm telling every one I meet, if I could live on easy street, I'd want no job today. So please go away. If the sun makes you perspire. There's a man that you can hire to plant trees so you can have shade on Easy Street. I'm telling everyone I meet, if I could live on Easy Street, I'd want no job today. So please go away.
All right, there's your phono stage. Thanks for watching.